Okay guys, how you doing? You okay? So now I've got this set up. I want to get this set up on a camera. So I think this is dead easy. So you do this. You need this wire. So you need your sorry, I take that back. SC4 cable. So this is your SC4 cable. So you definitely need this. And these are essentially to charge it up. Okay, so USB. So you basically plug it into that, and you plug it into your laptop to charge up. Now I've got my receiver charged up, and I've just sort of got it on, and you can see that it's working. It's amazing. It's like, see, when I talk, so if I talk very loudly, you can see it's picking up the sound, and if I talk really loud, it definitely picks up the audio. So that's really awesome. Now I haven't attached this onto my DSLR yet, but I will, and then we'll see what the sound's like. So to switch them on, so if I just switch them off, okay, so I've switched them off. To switch it on, just basically press this button here, and it will come on, and it will say wireless go, so Rode wireless go. And then what it will do is it will be looking for the receiver. So this is the transmitter. So if I press the receiver and I click on it, it's now picked them both up. Okay, so now when I talk, you can clearly see that it's picking up the audio. The next thing I want to do is I want to take this off. Well, I want to open this, sorry, shall I say. So here's my connector. This is what's going to go onto my DSLR. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so that goes in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this onto my DSLR camera. We'll see what the quality is like with the sound. So with this recording, so let me just attach this to the camera. Okay, I've attached the transmitter on top of the hot shoe, and I've also attached this cable to the mic. Now that's all you need to do. So once you've attached that, the next thing is to get the receiver onto you, and then you'll see the quality of audio. Okay, so I've got the transmitter. All I need to do is get the transmitter and attach it to a shirt. So once I've got it attached, now it's picking up sound, so you can clearly see that the audio is so much better and clearer with one of these, particularly if you're shooting outdoors or you're interviewing people, you're doing video interviews and you want to capture better audio. Get yourself one of these Rode mics, because it will make a huge difference to your audio. You can get a boom mic as well, maybe something like that, but this is a small tiny little thing just attached to your shirt, and then it gives you better sound quality. People have been posting with my videos saying that you can't hear you, you're fuzzy, and etc. So I thought myself, get one of these, give it a use and see what it's like. You know, if you move it away, you can see that it doesn't pick up very well. If you get it nearer, it definitely picks up better audio. So yeah, definitely get yourself one of these guys. You know, so thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post. Any videos that you want me to make, please do post. I'm happy to sort of respond to those. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one.